Hi everyone, my name is Chirita Del Remedio. You may call me Chat in short, and I'm currently working in the retail industry as an Assistant Vice President for Human Resources. Before becoming head of HR, I also served as a National Sales Manager, where I was responsible for sales, distribution, and marketing. With years of experience in sales, marketing, and human resources, I have always been engaged in working with people, understanding their needs, and finding ways to address them. However, in the middle of all these busy roles, I have to admit that I seldom paid attention to the environment around me. It was only through simple observations, like seeing trees and plants, that I realized how refreshing and important our natural surroundings are. This reminded me that each of us has a role to play in protecting the environment. In connection with climate change, I can see how much things have changed over time. Decades ago, the area where I recorded this video was filled with trees and open space. Floods were rare, even during strong rains. But now, after events like Typhoon Yolanda and with the increase in heavy rainfall, flooding happens more often, even in the higher areas of Metro Manila. This is a clear sign of how climate change is affecting our daily lives. That is why science communication becomes very important. By effectively communicating scientific information about the climate change, we can help people understand its impact on our environment and inspire them to take action, whether in small personal habits or larger community efforts.